Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you guys who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So guys, I am here with another video, and this is another darn good help needed. As you guys recall, I have a couple of subscriptions for yarn clubs, and Darn Good Yarn is one of them. I really do enjoy receiving the yarns and the inspirations that come with them. And unfortunately, I have not been able to work up the patterns or use the yarns like I thought I would. But that's good news for you guys, because that means I still have potential items and things that I can show you and share with you. So I'm really excited about that. This is actually box number 2. And so I would like to show you what I received, and then I will explain to you how you can help me and give me some darn good help. Okay. So originally with Darn Good Yarn, they sent out the subscriptions in boxes like these. These are recyclable boxes, really, really nice. And they have really nice sayings on them to kind of inspire. And I just really, really love that. All right. So let's go ahead and dig in and see what's in this box. All right, guys. So first, they give you a very nice little pamphlet. And here it explains to you about the yarn that you are receiving, about the artisans, the people that work to create the yarn and prepare it for you, the purpose of the company, as well as all the specs on the yarn, which is just awesome. I really, really like the way they have put all these things together. And then in addition to that, they give you patterns that you can maybe use if you don't have any idea of how you want to use the yarn. They give you some examples of how you can use the yarn, and then you can choose to kind of do however you like. All right, which I also think is really nice because it highlights various designers. Okay, so now let's take a look at the yarn. And the reason I'm going to take a look at the yarn before I give you the specs on it is because of the way I want you guys to kind of help me out. Okay, all right. So before I show you the yarn, let me show you what else came in the box. So the box that I received, I asked for the deluxe box so that I always received some kind of extra in my box. And so for this particular box, they gave you this beautiful pouch, right? Isn't that just awesome, guys? This beautiful pouch. It has a metal zipper, which is nice and sturdy. Okay, very nice and sturdy. It has the logo for Darn Good Yarn on it, so that's beautiful. And the pouch is fully lined, so it is beautiful, right? Beautiful, fully lined. So it's very sturdy, and it'll really hold your needles and hooks and all your essentials very, very nicely. And it's a nice size as well. Okay. All right. So now let's look at the yarn, guys. I know that's what you guys are waiting on, right? Okay. So this is the beautiful, beautiful yarn. Look at all the vibrant colors. Isn't that awesome? I just love it. I love it. And it looks like it has a thinner yarn that is twisted in it. Okay. So now this particular yarn is called Darn Good Fancy Twist Yarn, and the colorway is Pink Flamingo. So I think it's just beautiful. Okay. So it is a bulky 5, and the knitting gauge is 5 to 8 millimeters, or a US 9 to US 11. And the crochet gauge is 6.5 to 9 millimeter, which is a size K all the way through a size M. Okay, so that's just awesome. All right. So now this is a 50-gram cake of yarn. And so that's about 50 yards. Okay. And again, it's a bulky 5. All right, so I'm going to put that aside. And like I said to you guys, they give you options on what you can do with it by giving you patterns. So let's take a look at what I did to show it. So, okay. The first thing is this. You can knit a pouch, okay? And this is called a treasure pouch. Let me look to make sure. Yes, this is called a treasure keeper pouch. Now this one is by Darn Good Yarn, so they don't give a designer's name for this one, okay? And so it's a basic pouch, which is awesome, all right? And it is made really, really nicely with eyelets. And I'm just taking the eye cord out so you can see. So as you make the pouch is got these eyelets in it. And as you do the eyelets, you make the pouch, then you make your eye cord, okay? And then once you make your eye cord, you can weave the eye cord in and out of your eyelets. And so it was just a beautiful pattern, not very difficult at all. And the yarn that I chose was an equivalent weight. So this was Charisma yarn, and it's also a bulky 5. And that way I could kind of see and experience somewhat what it would be like to make this and to work it up. Okay, so really nice pouch, and it'll be nice and sturdy because it's using the bulky with a smaller needle size. Okay, all right, so now let's look at the crocheted version. So this is the crocheted version of the treasure keeper pouch. All right, and instead of an eye cord, it used a chain cord, which I then went back and slip stitched all the way back to give it a little bit more bulk. Okay, and again, you have eyelets in this one, crocheted eyelets, and I think this one turned out really, really beautiful as well. Okay, now the crocheted option, the designer for this one is Wylder Minds Creations. All right, and I really like it. It was also very easy to make and gives you a very nice, sturdy crocheted pouch. All right, so now this particular booklet and this particular yarn kit came with actually 4 patterns. And I just thought, wow, that's just great, 4 patterns. So let's take a look at the other 2 patterns that are included in the booklet, and then you guys can help me out. All right, so I did not want to use the exact same yarns for the 2 different sets. So for this set, I actually used Premier Puzzle yarn, which is also a bulky 5, okay? And this is a headband, all right? And so beautiful headband that is knit. It is knit in the round, okay? So you knit a tube, and then you finish it off, and then you knit a smaller tube, and then you put it around to cinch it. And I think this is just beautiful. All right, so now this particular headband is called Modern Bow Headband, and it's by Yvonne, Bakke, Thorsen. Okay, and I just think it's a beautiful design, right? And I love the way the puzzle yarn gave me the different colors. All right, so now the Darn Good yarn is going to look different because it is a different type of colorway, but to see it in a different yarn also is really exciting to me. Okay, all right, so let's take a look at the crocheted headband. Okay, so the crocheted headband is here. All right, so this one is called a Mobius headband, and it is again by Wylder Minds Creations. And so Wylder Minds Creations actually got 2 patterns in this booklet. I just think that's just exciting and awesome, right? Okay, so this one has a very nice and unique construction for it because you're making the Mobius and you are actually doing your stitches on the top and the bottom in a single round as you do it. And so I really did enjoy making this. Oh, and by the way, guys, This is one of Lisa over at Ladybird Loves. This is one of her stitch markers, guys. Okay, beautiful, beautiful stitch markers. You have to check her out, her channel. She does wonderful, wonderful work. Thank you so much, Lisa. All right. So, okay, so this is the Mobius headband. All right. So now this is the help that I need from you guys. This is the yarn. Okay. This is the beautiful yarn with all the beautiful, vibrant colors. All right. Which pattern should I make? Number one, the Knit Treasures bag. Number two, the Crocheted Treasures bag. Number three, the bow tie headband. Or number four, the Mobius headband. So I'm going to need you guys to weigh in and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know. So I'm going to leave this up for about 5 days or so. And after that, I'll take a look to see if you guys have commented. And then whichever one is the highest in comments and choices, then that's the one that I will make. And then I will come back next week and show you guys the finished product. And then we will do a new unboxing and a new set of items. Does that sound great? I look forward to it. So I hope you guys are getting excited about it as well. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, rather enjoyed your weekend and are enjoying your Sunday. Tomorrow is another day, day number 2 in the week. And some of us will be off and some of us will have to go to work, but that's okay. Just do what you can to be mindful, be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Please don't forget to like this video and leave a comment and let me know which of these items you think I should use for this yarn. All right. I look forward to seeing you guys real soon. Bye-bye now.